The AC runs pretty good. I got my RC cars that I got from Amazon. I'm addicted to it. I love it. But this AC that I got from Amazon works pretty good. You can put it on the window, but I prefer on the wall. But you have to modify some stuff. You know, take out the little things that hang out from here. But if it's perfect, then all those stuff comes out the window, comes out the wall. There's no water that drips. If it drips, I had, custom made, with CPVC pipe and all that stuff. But it works perfectly. I have it too high, but it works pretty good. I mean, you can put higher though. It's low. Okay. That's medium. Pretty good. And easy to maintain. What you do is take it out right here, and down comes out the filter. Perfect. For my room, you see all my RC stuff and shit, but perfectly. Even have an AC that's all the way over there, but perfect.